Hey everyone, Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for a few minutes today. I wanted to share with you all what is currently in my Etsy shop. I will be having a sale for this week. So if you are interested in anything, this weekend actually is the time to go and purchase. The sale will last from today until Sunday night. So let's get started. I have 2 chunky charms that are currently in there. This one I just posted. It is a colorful, funky chunky charm is what I'm calling it. And it's about 8 inches long, and you can see all of the beautiful, just like wild, colorful beads that are in here. Really, really pretty and fun. So there is that one. And then I have a Batman chunky charm that is in there. This one is the yellows and the blacks. And there's some clear beads. You have a couple of the Batman charms in there. Some Batman beads. There's some stars and different things. So that one is in there also. I also have some planner charms and things like that, but I'm just going to show you the big items right now. I do have there are several traveler's notebooks in there. The descriptions are under all of them. But I'll just do a really quick little flip through. And I can't remember what all of them are called, but here are the charms on this one. This is the pink faux leather, and it does have the white velvet in it. Your shaker. This one is a 2-year planner or calendar. There is your pen and your page marker. You've got some ephemera, plain paper, your folder. There's some stickers right here. There are some journaling cards in this side, and here are 2 adhesive pockets. So whoever gets that can put it wherever they want. More just plain paper. There's that one. And then we have this really, really pretty white. This is a pocket size, and it is a white glitter canvas. So you have your glasses and the little crystal ball right here. Your white elastic. This does have the felt on the inside as well. It has a shaker pocket. And these have removable, reversible covers. So you can change out the covers if you like the other side better. There's your page marker and your pen. There is your dashboard with your sticky notes. Your next signature. There is a pocket, and it has some ephemera in it. This has an adhesive pocket right here. More ephemera pieces in your laminated double pocket folder. You've got 2 small pockets and your 3rd signature. So there's that one. And this glitter does not come off. Like it stays really, really well. Here is a faith related one. So you've got your cross and your tassel. This Home Believes silver elastic band. You've got your washi samples in a clear adhesive pocket. This is an undated planner. There is your pen and your laminated page marker. This is just a piece of acetate that is in the pocket right here. Plain paper. Another folder with your dashboard and sticky notes. There are 2 clear pockets right there. There is your folder. You've got some journaling cards in there, some bigger journaling cards, and then scripture of the day notes. You've got 2 more pockets right here, and plain paper. And then more journaling cards in that adhesive pocket in the back. And I know I'm going through these quickly, but like I said, the full description is under all of, under everything in my shop. This one is the Glam Girl, and I've given you 2 sticker sheets of LOL. You've got your glasses and your mint tassel, your washi samples, shaker pocket. These are removable, reversible covers. And this one has an undated planner. This is Recollections, so they're easy to refill. There is your removable dashboard, plain paper, or dotted paper, I'm sorry. Here is another pocket right here for you. Your folder. There is your pen loop. You've got 2 more clear pockets and plain paper and another adhesive pocket right there. So lots of storage in this one. The next one we have is this is LOL. There is your planner charm right here. This is the gold elastic band. It is double-sided. You've got your LOL girl, your shaker pocket, really cute little dangle hanging down there. There is your page marker with an LOL pen. So you've got lined paper. There is your removable dashboard, plain paper, 2 pockets. This is your folder. You've got lots and lots of journaling cards in here. There's probably 10 or so journaling cards in there. There is your washi sample. There is a pocket right here with a sticker page. And your last signature is lined paper. And there is an adhesive pocket. And these are actually little stickers as well. I really like these. Sorry, my cat is in here getting into my trash bag, so that is the noise you hear. Here is another LOL. You got your eyelashes, your gold elastic. This one is pretty much the same, so I'm just going to do a quick little flip through. It's pretty much the same as the other one. There is that one. We've got this one. You've got 2 pom-poms and a brown tassel, gold band, journaling cards, your shaker pocket. This is an undated planner. These are removable, reversible covers. There is your page marker, pen and pen loop. Oh, and there's got sticky notes on the back of that one. You've got some journaling cards in this big pocket. Here is your laminated folder and your last insert and your washi sample on the clear pocket back there. Here is a Authentique Fabulous. I love this one. Really pretty little charm. The white elastic band. These pockets go this way, so you've got lots of planner stickers in here. There is your shaker. These are the Recollections Planner 3-pack, so undated. There is your page marker, pen and pen loop. Here is your removable dashboard. And these pages are removable and reversible. I try to do that as many times as I can. You've got lots of journaling cards in here. There's your folder, more planner stickers, and your last signature, and another pocket back here on the back. So that is used with the fabulous paper from Authentique. There's this really, really cute little flower one. You got 3 little tassels, kind of a beige band. You've got some journaling cards in a pocket, shaker, undated planner page. There's your page marker and your pen loop. Journaling cards in this pocket. Removable and reversible once again. And all of these have lots and lots of paper clips in them. There is a piece of acetate right here. There is your folder. It's got another pocket, and it's got, these are all stickers and some more cut aparts from the paper pack that I used. There's your other part of your vellum. I'm sorry, I said it. This is vellum with some page flags and some post-its, and then your last signature. A few more. There's this cute little one. It's probably the same as the other one that I just showed. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. Love that shaker. So we'll just do a quick little flip through. Different papers, but it's the same. It's the same layout as the other one. And we've got a pink sparkly one. This is the glitter canvas. There you got a ring and a big old diamond and a glitter ball. It says flawless, white elastic. Has the felt in it. Shaker. These are removable and reversible covers. The pom-pom. There is your page marker. This is an Authentique paper pack. There is your dashboard, lined paper, 2 more pockets. You've got a adhesive pocket right here. There's your folder with some ephemera in there. Another pocket with some ephemera pieces. There's that one. And we have this really cute little pocket, white sparkly one. And let's see, this is LOL again. Do I have 2 of these in there? Yeah, I guess, okay. These are identical. So I guess there's 2 of those listed in there, so I won't go through that one. And then these 2 I absolutely love. They're a little bit different. They're a little bit more masculine. But I really liked the theme. So this is that faux leather. And you've got your gold. And this is the same paper pack. So there's a little mustache. You've got your undated weekly planner sheets. So it's all bulldog kind of related. So I figure, like, you know, people that Mississippi State, Georgia Bulldogs, you know, anybody that's a huge sports fan maybe, or just a love of bulldogs. Or if you have a gentleman in your life. 2 pockets right there. Some adhesive pockets. Some journaling cards. And some stickers. You know, that maybe might like to get into keeping a traveler's notebook. So this is a B6 size, and then this is a pocket size right here. So like I said, same concept, same paper and everything, just in a smaller compact size. So that is it, guys. That is what is currently in my shop. If you're interested, like I said, things will be on sale from today until the end of Sunday. If you're interested, head on over there and make a purchase. I try really hard to get orders out within a day or two of when the orders are placed. So until next time, see you later, guys. Thanks for stopping by.